Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can encrypt a file or folder, okay, in a Windows operating system. So how we can do that? Okay, you can see we have a folder here, new folder. Right click on this folder and go to properties. Okay, now here you can see advanced option. Okay, click on it and now you can see here we have an option in the last encrypt contents to secure data. Okay, so click check on it and apply. Okay, it asks for subfolder, so I'll apply for the subfolders and files. Okay, so click OK and OK. Now you can see here. Okay, here you can see the little bit a small lock. Okay, so it's successfully encrypted. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. You can see the document has a lock. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.